we know about that books are our friends. With the help of books, we can improve our knowledge. Also, we get confidence, we get motivation to do something special work. And now, here, point is they will talk about it. They will discuss here about books. Okay, we know about there are so many autobiography, and you get motivation by reading this, because of there are so many famous people are there. They have written their autobiography, and we get motivation from this book. And here my question is that, what do you think about that? Do you think about books provide better atmosphere than television or than social media? What do you think about? You have to talk about here your opinion. Okay, do you think about books provide you better environment, okay, than social media or television? Okay, so as per my view, we have to read weekly one book. If you read weekly one book, then you can gain so many knowledge. Okay, so in school also it must be government provide or school provide extra curriculum activity to reading competition, books reading competition. Am I right? So my suggestion is that we have to read daily one book. Then we can improve our knowledge, as well as we can get some special information. Okay, I know that with the help of television also we can improve our knowledge. We can see what happen in our world. We get information about education, about the medical facility, medical system. But as well as by reading books, also you realize, you get information about the historical things, about the historical stories. Okay, so now I will not talk here more. Now this is your video session, and now you have to talk here. What do you think about? My question is that, books provide good environment than television or than social media. What do you think? Okay, so first, who will talk? Yes, Shambhala will talk. Have it, Mike.
Yes, I think books provide better environment than television and social media because books is always good for our life. Reading books is a very good habit in our life. Always we can read always one book. So books give more knowledge to us. Books give information to us, and books give information to our history, so we can understand our Indian history and culture. Books Many types of books available in library, so we can improve our knowledge and our language. Books give information to other language and countries, so books is always good for our life. Books have power to change our mood and our life. Books always help us to get success. Because of books we can complete our dreams, so we make a good person in our life. So we got we got
We get.
so we get respect in their society. Books always good for our life, so we can read books. I know television is also good for our life. Television give information and knowledge to us, but sometimes television is not good for our life. Because of television we can childrens don't do study, so they don't focus on their life, they don't focus of education. So they don't do study. So that's why television is not good for our life. Because of television we waste our time, and sometimes television give good thoughts, and sometimes television give bad thoughts and ideas to us. So I think books is always good for our life. So I think books is a better environment than television.
Provide better environment. But what happens sometimes, not only youngers, but also olders addicted towards the television, and they forget it. They are addicted towards the watching television, and they forget it their day to day life work. Got it? So, as per my view, we have to make one timetable, and we should think about that. How many hours should we give for our works? For doing exercise, for reading books, for watching TV, for using social media. Am I right or wrong? Yes, okay. So now next, Karina will talk.
I think book provides better environment or better entertainment than television or social media.
Next question, right? Next Marathi question, right, and solve.
I think books provides better environment or better entertainment than television or social media because when children watches daily on TV, then they wasted their time and also they harmful for their eyes. So when they read book, they get knowledge about their subjects like math, science, or other subjects, or like history. They get our Shiva Chhatrapati Maharaj history, or also they win their forts and many places. They get information, and also their talking knowledge, speaking knowledge is improved. I think book provides better entertainment because when small child read a book daily, then they get information and also their uh, speaking knowledge is improve or fast, and then their time was not wasted. But they daily see TV or mobile, then they get not less not more knowledge, and also when they read book, they improve their language like Marathi, English, Sanskrit, Hindi, or Japanese, Korean. What they like language they can read. So if they want to read Hindi language, so they go in library or other stall, and they buy the book and read the book, and they get information about their language. And they want to see mobile, they get knowledge. But in book, the uh, writer write many languages and many information about this thing. But when we search mobile, there enough information. So I think books provide better entertainment or better environment.
Fenton, no there. Fenton and all. Okay, as she told that. Okay, as Karina told, yes. But by reading books, you can improve your reading skill as well as you can improve your writing skill. Means when you read books, then only you will get some extraordinary sentences. You realize or you get some extraordinary sentences, extraordinary words, extraordinary thoughts, and while when we want to give speech, then you have to utilize. Okay, but we can't in other way, we can't refuse that by watching television we can't get information. We get information there also, but you have to manage, you have to keep balance reading books as well as using social media or watching television. Am I right? Yes. Okay, next now, Swapnali will talk.
Books are books are critical thinking to explain books through we are critical thinking to encourage our life. um, Books support to encourage our life um, to analysis.
Did you make some points? Then you can read. Did you make some point and you can read? Did you write that? Read. You can read. Getting here now. Getting here. Getting here. Here. Here.
Books through support our personal life and personal growth. Readers can read uh, book through book through um, encourage our life. uh,
So Swapnali here completed 4 or 5 days, but I know in 8 days or in 15 days she can improve well. Okay, next Dhanashri will talk. Yes, stay.
Yes, I think it is very good for every people. Books provide so many type of knowledge. If you read so many books, so you can no one can steal your bookish knowledge. Read book, become wise. Um, Reading can be a relaxing and enjoyable activity and helping reduce stress and mental being. Um, if you read so many books, so you can increase your knowledge. Uh, if you read books, so you can set your goal. Mm, Reading. Uh, you can read so many books, uh, so you information about all
Get information.
you get information about all world in free time, so you can read a book and give so many knowledge,
Get.
get so many knowledge. uh, a book is our true and best friend. uh, I think book is need of all people. um, but some people don't read book. They attract on television or social media. So I think all people, you can read so many books um, and increase your knowledge,
Or not. Okay.
our
So
knowledge.
yes, bookish knowledge. If you read book, then you can do great work to transfer your knowledge to anyone. Give your knowledge to anyone. Okay, so that's why we have to read book. If you read book, then on any situation you can fight by getting the books ideas, getting the ideas from a great person's life. Okay, you know about there are so many autobiography. Before also I have told you, we get encouraged from this autobiography because they had uh, in the books there are so many struggleful incidents. Okay, how did they achieve the success, and in small age how did they achieve success, or how did they fight the critical situation. So that's why we must read books. Okay, so next now Pradnya will talk.
Uh, I uh, I think books provide better environment than television. We can read book. We read books. That's why we improve our language. Um, that's why we improve our knowledge. Uh, um, some books we can some books we learn. Uh, yeah. That's why they some books we learn. That's why they teach how we live life. Books is our best friend in our life, because they because they give knowledge. Uh,
So now we will listen from Nikita what she will tell. Yes.
No, I don't think that books provide better environment than television or social media, because in the 21st era, in today's generation, no one like to read books. today generation is using social media apps or looking television, so that's why they don't read books. They think that reading books is waste of time, but it's false. We have to read book I agree to that sentence that book acquires new knowledge and feed in our mind, but also we have to think that uh, television and social media also give good information in about all things. We can see news through social media or television, so we can get in easily information about the world. uh, we can search on Google, then after we get any information what we need. um, we can Because of social media and television, world came close. So that's why I think books provide environment or entertainment as like television or social media.
So very good that you have presented here, and but if you want to talk something different or extraordinary, then we must have the books knowledge. Okay, so that's why we have to read books as well as using social media or television. Got it? So here really I really appreciate you that you have presented here. Okay, means you have talked here, and but you have to improve well. I want some special points from you. That's why you have to read book. Okay, and thanks for watching our video.